My name is Tamara Maciel, and I'm the Program Director for the School of Anatomy at the University of Waterloo. The School of Anatomy is part of the Department of Kinesiology and Health Sciences within the Faculty of Health. We are so proud of our purpose-built teaching and learning space where students can explore and learn anatomy. The School of Anatomy is a hub for anatomy education here on main campus. All students and visitors who enter the lab are reminded of these important words by our founder. You are now in the presence of those who have given their bodies for the advancement of science. Please treat them with the respect which is their due. We maintain the utmost respect and dignity for all participants in our program. We are so grateful to our human cadaver donors and their families for helping us create this learning opportunity. Each year, we host a service of gratitude to extend our heartfelt thanks to our donors and their loved ones. Families and friends are invited to join us on campus for a ceremony that celebrates this gift. Students have the opportunity to read a written reflection or perform musically in order to show their gratitude and express just how much this means to them and their education. We are so proud to offer our kinesiology students the opportunity to learn anatomy in our space in their very first year of study. We believe that anatomy is foundational and that a deep understanding of human anatomy helps our students learn later about injury, disease, and rehabilitation. We also offer upper-year elective courses for students who are interested in learning more about neuroscience, as well as the internal organ systems of the thorax, abdomen, and pelvis. While kinesiology students are our primary lab users, we also host students and courses from the School of Optometry, the Department of Biomedical Engineering, the School of Public Health Sciences, and many more. Teaching and learning with human cadaver donors is still considered the gold standard for anatomical education. We are so happy to offer this opportunity to our undergraduate and graduate students. For many of our students, the School of Anatomy becomes a community of teaching, learning, and mentorship. Upon completion of their first-year anatomy class, students have many opportunities to volunteer as teaching demonstrators. This is a great way to strengthen their own knowledge and provide guidance and mentorship to new students. Students in our labs get to learn in smaller groups than in their large lecture courses. They apply and reinforce theoretical knowledge in a hands-on experience. They get to move at their own pace through a variety of lab stations that make use of human bones, models, and most importantly, our human cadaver donors. The School of Anatomy is a special place on campus, and we are so grateful to our cadaver donors and their loved ones who allow us to continue teaching the next generation of healthcare professionals. Thank you.